discussed, and we have no intention to change the basic policy of the chief rabbinate throughout the years. The way to recognize that rabbi, another rabbi, I believe that with the real partnership that we have with the RCA, that I believe that we will only strengthen in the upcoming years, we believe that we'll find a common language how to deal with all questions that we have to confront. Let me tell you, I want to, I don't know what time is it? I will add one more thing. I want you all to know that with no connection to the results of the upcoming elections, we have no intention to disappear. So throughout the last year, and I think that your representative in Israel, representative and representatives, because there are many RCA rabbis that live in Israel, could tell you that it's already not an issue of the chief rabbinate. It's not an election of this person, another person. The SOA organization became actually the national address to deal with the issues that are between the state and religion, the issues that the secular society urges for solutions. And we have no intention to disappear. So without any connection to the results, we will be there in order to help the Jews in Israel, in order to help the rabbis, our colleagues in the States, in order to help every Jew everywhere in the world, in order to help him to remain Jewish and to strengthen his Jewish identity. So please, I invite you to sit in us and address to help in whatever we could. I guess that we are limited, but the last couple of months have shown us that with the right power and with combining groups from all over Israel, and it will be very hard to describe it, what kind of passion we see in the Israeli society in the last couple of months towards the changes that we hope to bring. And even if we hope and we are determined to succeed, but even if we will not, the victory has been accomplished already by the fact that the Israeli society knows what it urges for, and they know what we are looking for. And as a result of that, we are not going to allow any tendency of making the rabbinate as something that will belong to one sector in the Israeli society, that will not feel responsible for the entire society in Israel and in the diaspora. And we have all the intention to be there, inside or outside, to be there in order to raise the voice, but not only to raise the voice, but to act and to help people to live Jewish life and to guard their Jewish identity and to strengthen the Jewish identity together. Toda Rabba.